My name is Aaron Saplisky, and welcome to Prairie Toons Orchard and Bakery, home of the best Saskatoon berries and baking in the Southeast. We are now 100 years on the land, and I am the fourth generation living here. Over the years, we've changed from being grain farming to now mainly being Saskatoon Berry Orchard and Bakery, with some cattle and some we also have alpacas out here and chickens. We've had peacocks and ducks and all kinds of old MacDonald lost his mind here. Probably one of the most unique things for Saskatoon berries here, the sunshine is really what the Saskatoon berries need in order to get sweet. They need that sun to produce the sugars for them. So it does really good here, and it is something that is predominant to the prairies, to this kind of area. During berry season, we start early in the morning when the sun comes up and start getting everything ready. So we'll start early in the morning and we'll go out picking with our mechanical harvester. Pick until it gets too warm. Then we'll throw all that in our walk-in cooler for a day, maybe. And then we'll be cleaning and sorting. So what we pick one day, we'll be cleaning and sorting the next day so that we have fruit available for people when they come out. If they don't want to pick for themselves, they can buy what's already been picked and cleaned. It is important for us to have a U-pick experience in this area just because it is something that is native to this area. It's good for the younger generations so that they can have that experience of spending time with grandma or grandpa, their parents, and doing what their parents or grandparents grew up doing. It's something that they can all come together with and do, and then they can all take fruit that they spent hours or all day picking and take it home and enjoy it fresh, which is pretty much the best way of having it. Over the years, we had people from other countries here, like Germany, England, Africa, China, all coming and experiencing what a Saskatoon berry orchard is to us. It is a good family experience to come out, pick berries, and enjoy the outdoors.